Alright, today I am installing the kibblewhite double springs in preparation for the hot cam stage 2 cam. Reading on the forums and everything, this center intake guide, if the retainer ring on the guide is above flush with the head, then that's where you need to machine it down 1 millimeter. According to all the stuff I've read online, mine luckily was flush with the head, so it should be good. So we're just gonna install these springs, and then we're gonna be running the high compression piston 11-to-1, bored out to 686, stage 2 hot cam. The head is ported and polished. You can tell there's no, I don't know if you can really see in there. There's no casting flaws. It's been completely cleaned, ported and polished, nice and smooth. So yeah, I got the bases and the valve guide seals and the valves all in. So for the kibblewhites, it comes with 3 thinner spring bases and 2 thickers. The thicker ones are for exhaust, the thinner ones are for the intake. The springs, they're all the same. All 5 of them are exactly the same. It's not specific for which one they go on. So, here we go. Retainer clips are a fucking pain in the ass. So these little retainer clips, they go on the stem of the valve. You can see right here, there's that little, indentation. That's for these clips to sit in here, right? So, like that, and it holds the spring in. And they're a pain in the butt to get in. It's like right there. Just does not want to fucking go in. There we go. Good freaking Lord, man. That was painful. Good God. I did not want to go in there. Holy moly. Hopefully these ones aren't as painful. Doesn't help this thing's freaking. There we go. That should be well, now that I lubed this up right here, right there, it's much better. So I can move this around freely without it freaking getting all jammed and stuck. Alright. Now Yeehaw. Alright. So, they are all installed now. And then get ready to put this stage 2 hot cam in. Yeah. Boop. Oh yeah. It's gonna be nice. Is it gonna be nice? Alright, well, until next time, hopefully this video is a little bit better than the last one. I will continue to keep trying to improve, but next video is more than likely going to be getting the cam sprocket on here, putting in the decompression mechanism, and waiting to get the frame back from powder coating. I decided to go with a red, white, and blue theme. So white frame, and then like the wheels and everything are all gonna be red, and then the fairings are obviously they're gonna be blue. So pretty stoked. Got a bunch of parts in. Got a seat that I'm gonna plan on rewrapping. Full FMF exhaust. Bunch of gaskets. Got the bolt kit. There's the block right there. Bunch of parts. I'm excited. So, alright YouTube, I'll catch you later.